Right, hello. This is my Mod 17 data analysis protocol for USD 314 Brewster. And so this is the protocol that I would make available to all staff in my district so that they can view and see our path in using data for school improvement and student learning success. So in the 5 steps that are listed, the first one is where we are now. And this is where we would look at student demographics, our school culture, any student learning data that we have on file, and our current curriculum and instruction to make sure it's meeting our needs. Then where do we want to be? So we would focus on the district's mission and make sure that our plan is still a part of that, a part of the district's mission. The vision of all those involved in the school, not only staff, students, but also parents and community members. And then the expectations of the school and of the staff to make the school and students a success. How did we get to where we are? So this is where we would look at gaps that could come out of the data, what causes are for those gaps, and then also considering what are school factors, things that we can actually change or improve on, and then what are outside factors that maybe we can't change, but we need to be aware of. How do we get to where we want to be? So we would come up with an action plan, create our strategies, and then decide our implementation, whether we need professional development or we need more leadership from our administration in moving forward. And then last, we would focus on what we are doing to make a difference. And with that, we would use data, view assessment results to see any improvement. We would also take in stakeholder feedback and then look at our district success rating that the state gives us each year. So then here is a graphic to help guide these PLC meetings. Currently, we meet 30 minutes once a week. And so we would go through these steps. What I did is I listed our current school improvement plan and our 2 focuses within that. So we want 100% of Brewster school teachers to participate regularly in scheduled PLCs and utilizing data. And then also that Brewster teachers will support all K-12 students in achieving annual growth in both ELA and math. So our PLCs need to be focused towards those. Then it's just a list of what needs to be documented for these meetings. So because we are a K-12 building, we typically meet elementary and then a separate meeting for junior high school. So the date we meet and the grade levels, those staff that are in attendance, what issues we are discussing, data to analyze, the plan moving forward, who is responsible for implementing that plan, and then the follow-up date to analyze what we've done. And then this is just some suggested topics for our PLCs of different ideas or different things that we want to focus on as a school, and also a list of data sources of where teachers can look for the appropriate data to help ensure that they're on the right track. All right, thank you.